Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here with another update on our project in Lawrence, Kansas. As you know, this is a big project for us out here on these apartment complexes. We have 19 King Pier IIs we are installing under the footing. 20 wall braces we're going to be installing from the interior of the vacant apartment rooms inside this particular building, and then a lot of epoxy injection that's going to be done to seal up all the cracks in the foundation. So we have 11 holes already finished on the interior. We have another 2 that we're going to get saw cut later today, and probably get all the excavation on that knocked out by Wednesday. You can see out here we got a couple patio sections on each side of the apartment building that we're going to be lifting, and you can see here we have saw cut the locations where 2 more holes are going to go. We have another 2 on the other end. So yeah, everything is just moving right along. We have our main crew out here now that's going to be installing the actual piers. So they'll be able to get all of these holes, the remaining holes, finished up pretty quickly. So we'll take a quick look inside again just to refresh everyone on what this project is looking like. So bear with me just a second here. So we got a lot of open rooms right now. So yeah, there's a lot larger of a footing than we initially anticipated. So we had to extend some of these pier holes out to be able to more easily excavate underneath it. So yeah, we're gonna install the piers. That's step 1 of getting this apartment building's footing back to its correct level elevation. Doing that, we should be able to manipulate the footing and place the pier in such a way that we can slightly tilt the wall back to vertical. Also, it does have a slight lean to it inside, or leaning inward. I don't know how well it's coming across in the video, but you can see it out here in person. And then the final step, once those wall braces are in, after we do the piering, we just have some cracks here on the foundation walls that we will get sealed up also. So everything is moving right along. We should be able to easily get the piers installed by the end of this week, and then probably half of next week to get the wall bracing finished up. So we are looking maybe another full week at least to get the piering done and the footing back to its correct level elevation, and then maybe half a week or so next week to finish up the interior work here with the crack repair, the epoxy injection, and the wall bracing. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. It's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. While you're there, leave a like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.